Okay, our speaker for today, dati siyang estudyante. Ganyan din sa inyo, nakaupo rin dyan. She is an alumni student of batch 2020-21. And now, she is in Del Pilar Academy. She is the school journalist, a radio broadcaster, and a feature writer. As she pursues the excellence, she is also the SSG Vice President. School, ano po ito? School organization. And recently, nung nag-launch ng bagong organization ng IMOS, she was chosen as a junior city vice mayor of City of IMOS. Bago po itong organization ng IMOS para sa mga youth. So, sila po yung mga pioneering officers. So, please help me welcome our speaker for today, no other than Miss Sam Eliza G. Rodriguez.